Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi guys, welcome. This is your friend Ram Rawat and I'm going to give you a quick overview of how exactly ViralCred AI works and how you can use it to your full advantage. So this is the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll be ending up on this page. And here on the left, there are options like projects where you can manage all of your projects. Then this is the training area. I encourage you to please go through the training area to understand how exactly this tool works because it requires the project and the further overall navigation of the project and the app. So you need to go through the trainings and don't get started without going through the trainings. So that's number one. Then there are bonuses that we have promised on the sales page. You can access all those bonuses here. And then you have the upgrades. So if you haven't upgraded to any of these products like the Pro, Turbo, Master Mode, AI Selling Room, or Reseller License, you can get it from there. Or if you are interested in having access to everything, you can get the All Access Pass by just following this link. Okay. Now here comes the interesting part. That's the Telegram integration. So like we said, our app, you can communicate with the app by using the Telegram chatbot. So you can simply integrate the Telegram by coming to this page, follow the instructions here, and you can get it done quickly. Okay. Then for the people who purchase a master mode, there is the team plan so that you can manage your team and your multiple users can work on your projects all together. So that's team plan, that's the master mode plan. Then we have the agency plan where you can sell sub accounts for ViralCred AI, and it comes with hundreds of sub accounts under the reseller ultimate, and it is also available inside the all access pass. So that's there. Then we have the support. So if you face any challenge or any help you require, you simply follow this button, visit support desk, or you can even ask questions to our chatbot. It will try to answer your queries, but if you still feel stuck, you can create a support ticket by following this link. All right. So coming back to the dashboard, now here is the interesting part. When you go to the project part where you can manage multiple projects. So for example, you have two different brands. Let's say one is a bakery and the other one is of a restaurant, or let's say a beauty salon. So you can manage all those businesses right inside the project so that you have the memory of that particular business stored inside that particular project. So for example, I tried with the gym like ABC Gym, Gold Gym, and then I also tried ViralCred AI as a project inside this, and it works really, really good. So how you can get started? You can simply go to the new project, or you can revisit the existing project by following this link. So you can create new project by simply following this, where you can even use your personal Facebook page linked with your business. If you're an influencer or someone who projects their business with your personal branding, you use this category. Or if it's a business like a company, gym, bakery, restaurant, or whatever business you have, you can go with the business option, and then you name it and then you create the project. It's as simple as that. Now coming back to the project, I want to walk you through the project part really quickly. So here I've saved all the details of ViralCred AI, and I come to this page where all the campaigns that I've created will be visible right here on this page. You can see the drafts and all the campaigns that I have been running so far. And if you want to create a new campaign, you can go here. But before going to the new campaign, the important part is you need to have your brand hub settings done. So when you are setting up your project for the first time, you need to go to the brand hub and get started with the brand hub first. So once you are here, you can add all these details. I know this looks a lot of information. Don't worry about it. When you are creating a new project, it will simply ask you everything step by step, and it will automatically generate all this information because the OpenClaw works in the backend, and it it finds all the information on your project, your company, your business, and then it stores all that information right on this page. So that's a brand hub page, and it will be considered for each and every post that you create with ViralCred AI. So for that particular project, whatever information is being generated here and stored, you can always edit any information that you didn't like, and the brand colors, and then the typography, the AI knowledge, all the information is right here. Then on top of that, you can add brand assets like the logo, the account image, the the account image like something that is being used on your Facebook or Instagram page. So you can use that account image here. And then comes the founder and influencer part. So a lot of businesses, they are following their personal branding. So for example, I am called as Mustached Marketer, and I'm providing my personal branding with my own face. So I want all my posts around my face. So you can upload that face separately here, and whenever a image, a post is created, the ViralCred AI face recognition system will recognize that image, will consider this image, and then generate all your posts. So that's how the brand hub works. Now coming back to the content lab, that's the second phase where you are going to create all your content. So this is the existing content that I've created so far. And if I want to create a new campaign, I can simply follow the new campaign button, and then you can generate all your content within few steps, like hook, where you generate the hook with different methods like AI idea generator, viral hook library you can select, or you can paste your own hook or enter your own idea that you have. Then we have this open claw powered Pred Scout idea finder. You can use that as well. So whatever information you have fed inside the brand hub, it will consider that information, then it's going to generate ideas for you. So for example, I want to generate an idea, I'll simply click on this or maybe on this. So this is where, like, if I just want the idea to be generated based on the brand hub, so I'll simply click on this, and it's going to take all the information from my existing business that is stored inside brand hub. It is going to then generate the ideas for me. So it'll take like few seconds, and you have 10 ideas right here in front of you. Then you can select which idea you want to proceed with. So for example, I want to generate my content around this: conquer the crowd, stand out on social media. So I'll select this, and then it's going to expand that idea, and it's going to create all the content around that idea. So it takes like few seconds, and you see all the content is getting generated here. Okay, so it is also recommending alternate hooks. If you don't like that, you can work on select another idea, and then you can go ahead with that. So right now, like, we're going to stick with our current idea, and we're going to move to the continue formats. It also covers the CTA and the first comment that goes on the post. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to move to the next step. And here we have the wonderful formats, and this is the most interesting part. So guys, we have approximately 12 formats here, and we're going to add more formats like personal niche, breaking news, Twitter style, lifestyle, message card. So you can select any of these. So let's say I want to go ahead with personal niche and carousel. So it will give you a quick idea how exactly the post is expected, and on top of that, it will have like another few slides. So overall, like 5 images will be generated. The second one will be like something like this, third, fourth, those are slides, and then there will be last CTA slide. So all the content will be generated in one go. And if you don't like this, then you want to go ahead with the breaking news concept, you can use this, and so on. Like lifestyle card, so you can select lifestyle card, and it's not just that, you can select multiple, and you can unselect whichever you want. Let's say I want to go ahead with the Twitter style. This is the one that is Twitter style. It's Twitter style. And if you want to go ahead with a pen and paper style, this is how it's going to come. So this is just a format, idea how exactly it's going to come. And now, for example, let's say I want to generate, let's say I want to go ahead with the breaking news, and there are like different, then number of slides you want to select, let's say 3 to 5. It's totally your call. I'm going to keep it 3. Then the last one will be the CTA slide, and the first image will be there. So overall, like 5 slides. And then there are options like what needs to be included from the branch hub. Let's say brand colors, logo, founder image, that's like influencer image, then brand voice, soft promotion, include the CTA. So if you want to switch any of these off, yeah, it's your call. As of now, I'm keeping everything on, and then I'm going to generate the concept. So it is going to generate the text that is going to be used on each of these images. So this is just for your understanding what exactly goes where. And if you don't like any of those concepts, any headline you didn't like or sub headline you didn't like, you can change that. So this is the cover image, this is the main headline, this is the sub headline, then this is the image concept. That means this is how the image is going to be: a digital marketer in a chaotic workspace. So that's the idea of the image. Then we have a circular inset. A circular image will also be there, a smartphone close up showing a social media post with low engagement metrics. And so all the information is here. If you don't like anything, you can change. And similarly, the information is there for other slides, like slide number 1, slide number 2, 3, and we have the CTA slide. So all these are information is here. Now all I have to do is hit the generate image button, and it's going to generate all the 5 images for me. Okay, you can just wait for few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, and it's going to generate all the images with all the information that we just finalized. Okay. Okay, so now it has generated all the images for me. Like we said, this was the idea: a social media marketer sitting on the desk, a chaotic workspace, and a circular image with low engagement. So you can see this is the image that is the main cover image in the breaking news format, and it got generated. It also took my social media handle, and all the content is here. Then we're going to check the next slide. This is the next slide. Engagement trumps the reach. Slide number 2, slide number 3. Okay, then we will have a CTA slide, and all the 5 images got generated. That's it. It is as simple as this. And here is the text content that is going to get posted. Okay, so our image is our post is ready. Now we can send it for the publishing, so it will schedule it as per the rules of Facebook, and it's going to automatically schedule it for the next available slot. Or if you want, you can publish it further by visiting this page. So as of now, I'm just sending it for the publish, so it will be added to the queue. Okay, it got added to the queue, and now I'm gonna go to this publish. And if you don't like anything, like, you can simply go to that slide and you can regenerate, you can adjust the content, and you can submit the regenerate, and it's going to regenerate it for you. Okay, now I'm going to go to the publish button tab, and here you can see this is the post that got scheduled. So I'll select this. It will show me, like, okay, it got scheduled for 8 a.m. on 5th of August at 8 a.m. as per my local time. All right, so if you don't like, that's it, like that's the only thing you need to do. If you don't like it, or sorry, if you want to publish it right away, you can publish it from here. And if you want to change the time or anything, you can change it, and then you can reschedule it to a new time. It's totally your call. As of now, the post is ready with the text, with the content, and with the image. Like, everything is ready to go. All right, it's as simple as that. And if I want to publish it right away, then I can just simply hit publish now, and it is going to get generated. It is going to get published. That's it. All right, so this is how the whole thing works. And if I go back here, you can see my recent campaign, and I've generated so many campaigns. I've tested it with different things, and it creates content in different formats. If you see here, this is like the code format. Then I'm going to take you to a couple of more. Let's see, this is how these are more pictures that I have generated. All right, let me check more campaigns, something unique like this one, conquer the Facebook algorithm. And there are like different formats that you can pick. And if we have a few more like this, breaking news, transform your Facebook presence now. There are like these kind of formats like that gives you a good comparison, or listicles, infographic lists. So all you have to do is follow the this formats. So you can, with different formats, you can generate different images, and it is as simple as it is as simple as this. All right, now that's it from this part. And you can create like, you can add multiple projects, and you can manage them directly from the Telegram. This is where I wanted to make the app more interesting. So we have integrated the Telegram, and you can do all the discussions with Telegram. You can create these posts directly from the Telegram. You don't even have to open this dashboard once the brand app settings are done. You can simply do all those things directly from the Telegram, that things that we just did. Okay, so I hope you understood how exactly this works. If you have any questions, queries, you can reach out to our support desk, just following this link, that is support. And you can even talk to our support chat by directly clicking on this chatbot. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I have clarified how this works, and I'm gonna give you a quick overview of how the Telegram works. So if you see this tab on the right, let me just make it smaller. Okay, so I've opened the Telegram on the separate tab, and if you see here, we have, like, I tried submitting different requests. For example, okay, I asked it like, can you create an image? Uh, and then it asked me which format. So I selected the format, like breaking news format, and then I asked it like, create the image on this one, like you can generate buyer traffic from Reddit by commenting relevant threads with a solution. And then it generated the image, it generated the caption. And if I would have asked to post it, or queue it means to schedule it for a specific time, you can give that. It will automatically schedule for the next available slot, or you can even specify like at what particular hour of the day you want to schedule it, and it will going to get scheduled. And you can manage them back inside the project. And that's it. So I hope this clarifies how exactly and how quickly you can get started with ViralCred AI. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching this video. I would love to see you inside and using this app, and looking forward for your feedback. Thank you so much.